Hey everyone, welcome back to Brainwave Channel. Today, we're diving into a question that frustrates many of us. Why does your internet connection randomly stop working? We'll be covering the top reasons why this happens, and trust me, you'll want to watch until the end because the number 5 possibility may shock you. First off, let's talk about the common reasons why your internet might be cutting out. One of the most common culprits is your router. Routers can overheat or become overloaded, especially if they haven't been restarted in a while. Try unplugging your router, waiting for about 30 seconds, and plugging it back in. This simple reset can often fix connectivity issues. Another issue could be Wi-Fi interference. Other electronic devices like microwaves, cordless phones, and even baby monitors can interfere with your Wi-Fi signal. Make sure your router is placed away from such devices and in a central location in your home. Network congestion is another common issue. If too many devices are connected to your network at the same time, it can slow down your internet or cause it to drop. Try disconnecting some devices and see if that helps. Sometimes, the problem isn't with your equipment, but with your internet service provider ISP. ISPs can have outages or maintenance periods that affect your connection. Check with your provider to see if there are any reported issues in your area. Using outdated equipment can also cause connectivity problems. If your router or modem is several years old, it might be time for an upgrade. Newer models support faster speeds and more stable connections. And here's the shocking part: outdated equipment can sometimes even pose security risks, making your network vulnerable to attacks. Lastly, software issues on your devices can also cause internet problems. Ensure your operating system and network drivers are up to date. Sometimes, a simple update can resolve connectivity issues. Alright, those are some of the common reasons why your internet connection might randomly stop working. If you're still having issues, it might be worth contacting a professional for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tricks. And remember, keeping your equipment updated isn't just about speed, it's also about security.